In today's world, technology is advancing rapidly, driving swift changes and progress. And this acceleration isn't limited to just technology trends, it encompasses a wide range of transformation. For example, professionals in the field of IT are realizing that their roles won't remain the same in tomorrow's contactless world. They will need to embrace constant learning, unlearning, and relearning, driven by both necessity and desire. But technology isn't the only industry experiencing such shifts. Virtually every sector is undergoing significant changes. Take, for instance, the rise of artificial intelligence technologies like ChatGPT. The question isn't so much if it will replace certain roles, but when it will happen. So, what does this mean for you as a teacher? It means staying abreast of emerging skills and the latest trends. It means looking ahead to anticipate the skills that they will be crucial for the future job security and understanding how to acquire them. And this isn't just important for you, it's equally vital for your students. While they may be equals in the classroom, they want to be on the job market. And therefore, preparing them with the skills needed for tomorrow's workplace is paramount. With all these changes happening around us, do you believe the educational system should also develop? And I would like to hear your thoughts on this, so please share your insights in the comments. Students want to learn skills that will help them in today's job market with the latest technology and to fit into the shifting world around us. But the way traditional schools teach cannot always keep up with these challenging needs, right? So please share your comments.